Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, hey, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, hey, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. If it don't make money, then it don't make sense. Fuck being famous, bitch, I'd rather get rich. Real talk, I'd rather hit a
Guys, it's your boy B Smooth back at it again. Man, up here working. All weekend I've been working on this car. I got the motor in, got the transmission in. So right now, man, the only thing we really gotta do is get the rest of this stuff, hook up the fuel pump, fuel pressure regulator and everything. And then we're gonna basically, man, we're gonna bust this bitch off and see what she sound like, y'all. Still gotta get that exhaust ran and everything, so it's gonna be an open hill to bust off. You feel me? Not quite sure. We're using the stock stall in there because I didn't get no information on the camshaft that was actually in the motor, so no information on that. So with that being said, man, yeah, we just gonna try it with the stock converter in there first, and then we'll see how it works. If it don't work good with the stock converter, then we're gonna take it out. Then we're gonna probably go up to like a 25, 3,000, depending on how bad it's jumping. Cause normally if a camshaft too big, it'll start jumping while you about to ready, once you get in gear, just start moving. So we're gonna try this real quick, man. So hey, y'all stay tuned. Everybody bear with me. I know it look a mess on the hill, but I'm working on it. I know I gotta run the fuel pump, but I ain't never ran. I'm trying to make sure it works. So what I'm finna do here is just run me a line real quick to hill, and gonna run it off in the hill until the gas jug and get me some fuel coming up here. So one thing I'm finna do real quick. And I mean, it's still a lot of stuff I gotta do. Oh, got a little gas in the carburetor right now. Try to bust it out real quick. One time. Back out here next day, little ugly ass shit box. Yeah, I already know that purple bitch over y'all. I don't keep up always. Yeah, tore up ass seats and shit. Gotta fix this window, door panel in the back seat. Good little car, man. I put the handle on here, door pounder, screen that window out, because whoever had it, this part here is broken. So I'm gonna take one off the park car down there and put it on. Just had to get it up and running. But as you can see, I got it up and moving, so That's the only thing I want to do right now. Yeah. Shit is a pain in the ass. Gotta put the interior back together. Take these seats out, put them in. It's a pain in the ass, man. But we gonna get there, man. It's gonna take a while, but we gonna get there. It don't sound too bad, though. Alright, y'all. I'm up out of here. Just had to come get the hood situated on here. I'm out of here, man. Motor run damn good. No knocking, no pinging, no nothing. Timing off, so I gotta get that adjusted. Carburetor adjusted, straighten out the wiring, and get started on all the little body work and little knit that shit. I had ordered another one of these off eBay. Just a cover though, so got that. I fixed the heater blower. Got the gas fan working, so I really have to tank in there. It's a work in progress, but it'll get there one of these days. I ain't in no rush with it. Alright, like I say, y'all like, subscribe, man. Your boy's out here, man. I'm out here. But just check it out one more. There you have it, guys. The shit box motor is in. All that done. Gotta straighten out the wiring. I just went and picked up a long drive shaft. I gotta actually put new U joints. Well, yeah, new U joints and all that in there. Shit, man. Gotta take it down here to my apartment, like I say, get it retuned, get all that done. Then we gotta get some exhaust ran on it. Then once I get the car up and running the way I want it to run, that's when I'll actually go ahead and start the process of getting the interior put together and get all that situated. So I mean, it's all a process. So like I say, I didn't expect for this car to be done this year. Shit, I don't even expect for it to be done next year. So I mean, it's gonna take a while. Meanwhile, I'm still gonna be working on other stuff, other people's cars and everything else. I gotta give you an update on the Ford Fusion, man. Put a badass radio in there, made sound quality much better. But shit, we wanna add some more in there, so we're gonna change out the door speakers, add an amp on the doors, make it sound a whole lot more clearer and stuff, cause she been begging for it. So I'm gonna sneak off and do that for her one of these days. Like I said, I appreciate all the support. I appreciate everything everybody been, all the motivation everybody been telling me to keep going and all that, man. I appreciate it, man. Like I say, like and subscribe. If you ain't already subscribed to my cousin Bass at it 901, make sure you get at him. Hey, I gotta tell you, I couldn't made it this far without that guy, because I didn't ever want to do the YouTube shit, but he kept telling me, cuz as much as you do, you might well gonna make you a damn channel. And shit, that's where it came from. Bass at it 901. So like and subscribe, make sure you hit that button, man. Don't be scared to hit that button. Your boy out here. And also, if you ain't already subscribed to Bass at it, make sure you go there subscribe to him too. Hey, we out of here, man. Y'all be easy, be blessed.
I heard that money stack different when you stop helping ungrateful people through the bad times. I kept my faith in Jesus, made believers out of everyone that said I wouldn't achieve it. They won't believe it until they see it. Yeah. If they ain't giving you the same energy, cut the power off. Cut them off. You can be full-time with a person, they taking hours off. If they acting like they better off without you, make them stand on it. Make them build by I'm ignoring all cap, but it's up there, you put your hands on me. No cap. Looking in the rear view at my past, a lot of regrets there. It's a lot of I ain't trying to kick it with you like homie if it ain't a chick there. It's correct. I don't need friends, I got family, they gon' step for me. They gon' ride the main ones say they proud of me, coming up they slept on me. They was I know my ex is somewhere, probably telling somebody that ain't shit. And whoever they telling, probably trying to shoot that shot airball they can't hit.